Hi everybody, my name's Chris Isham. I'm the Area Sales Manager for HHS UK and Ireland. Just want to say hello to everybody, just give you a little bit of background about myself. I, for my sins, have been a gluing operator in a previous life for 20 years. I worked for a manufacturer for 20 years installing folder gluers, and now I'm proud to say that I work for HHS as a sales manager. My responsibilities are to sell you new systems, to help with upgrades, and just to give you some general help and assistance in your departments to ensure the smooth running, production, and obviously the profitability of your business. I just want to talk to you today about training. Training is a passion of mine. It's important in this day and age that we train our staff, our operators, to ensure that all the systems are running smoothly and as efficiently as possible. HHS prides itself on the ability to train. We can train in-house at the customer site. We can also train in Germany, where we can take your operators into an environment and we can train them professionally in a manner where we know that when they come back into your environment that they'll perform to the expectations and the levels that you need to see to ensure that all your machines and your systems are running smoothly and as efficiently as possible. When your operators are trained correctly, the waste levels go down, machine speeds will go up, and obviously your profitability will be enhanced. All this is done through training and future-proofing your operators and your equipment